I'm at 201 Newbury Street, the Prince. Here we are. It's a beautiful building right at the corner of Exeter and Newbury. So that way is Fairfield. And that's the intersection of Exeter and Newbury. So to get into the building, this is the front door. That's where the lobby with the concierge is. And there is also intercom and fob for tenants to get into. So you can get buzzed in also. This is the lobby. There's the concierge desk. Here are the elevators that can take you up to the unit. And here is how you get to the parking. So there is direct access to parking spots. Here they are. And this is the alley between Newbury Street and Commonwealth Avenue, and that's Exeter Street right there. Really nice common areas. And we're back in the lobby. To get to unit 402, you exit the elevator. You take it to the 4th floor. Here are the common areas. And the unit is all the way down the hall to the right when you go out of the elevator. There it is, 402. When you enter the apartment, you enter into the living room, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, front facing Newbury Street. And there's the kitchen to the left, and the bedrooms and the bathrooms are to the left as well. So you can see it's really sunny. It's facing south, so you get really great natural light most of the day. And you can see the views. This is, again, Newbury Street. You can see the Prudential from here, the street. And it's a really good size apartment. Very spacious living room. There are nooks that you can use for storage. Decorative fireplace. There's another great nook. So this is typically set up as a dining area. It's a great spot for that. And there is a breakfast bar in the kitchen. So you can have bar stools here, and great for eating at the breakfast bar. And then as you walk in, so that's the front door, as you walk in, there's a little bit of storage here, but looks like it's a utility closet also. And then there is a coat closet right here that's a little bit more spacious. And you have beautiful hardwood floors. You can see they're in really good shape. And there are recessed lights in the living room. I didn't even turn them on because it's so bright and sunny. There are recessed lights throughout the apartment. And here's the kitchen. It's a fridge. More storage. Really good cabinet space. And here's one of the bedrooms. So the living room and both of the bedrooms are front facing. This is the 2nd bedroom as opposed to the master. And it's great as an office space. And again, you can see the great views from here in Newbury Street. It's great as an office, a guest bedroom. It's very spacious, big enough to fit a queen-size bed, or you can have a pull-out couch and a desk here if you wanted. Also recessed lights. At this time of day, you really don't need to turn the lights on because it's so sunny. Here is second bath with a tub and a shower. You can see that here. And this is the door into the master bedroom. And this looks like a king-size bed. Also front facing. And there's a closet right here. So standard size closet, very spacious. So king size bed fits easily with more room for nightstands. There's another little closet right here. It's a linen closet. And to the left we have master bath. Trying to squeeze in. I couldn't figure out how to turn the lights on, but it's again recessed lights. Walk-in shower. It's all renovated. And in-unit washer dryer. Alright. So again, second bedroom. Kitchen. And back in the living room. To get to the roof deck at 201 Newbury Street, you take one of the elevators to level R for roof and come up the stairs. And there are two sides to the roof deck. So here's a common area, the sink. And here's the common roof deck with really incredible views of the city. There's more seating down over there at the end of the deck. Just really stunning views. And here's the other half of the deck.